How to use Immersive Reader in Microsoft Word. Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to use Immersive Reader on Microsoft Word. So first, you're going to click the View tab. And here you can see Immersive Reader. So when you click this, it's going to change the screen. It's going to simplify it to a reading. So if you click play, it will automatically read it. So what's the other feature of Immersive Reader? So here in the top right corner, you can see text preference. If you click that, you can change the text size, increase the spacing, font, themes, more colors, source formatting. And second is grammar options. In syllables, parts of speech, you can change all these nouns, verbs, adjectives, adverbs. Third one is reading preference. So here you can change line focus, translate, reading practice. So these are the features of Immersive Reader, and that's pretty much it. Thank you.